this pope and that priest and this reverend sister and this seminarian are all disappointed in Father Ilya, I'll be waiting be that guy name, governor of Benue State, for seemingly standing by. He cannot do anything. He's waiting for higher powers to come and protect the people that he swore an oath to put first, not to stand by while they are being murdered in crazy numbers. Where have you ever seen the Bible, the thing that they put their hand on and swear an oath on the lives of people? Lives. They will not use a book that it does. Have you ever seen the Bible kill somebody? Where have you ever seen the Bible kill somebody? If it were the 12 stones of Israel, they are Jehovah deity. If not that place, they go swear, go touch the stone and say, the people of this country, who by the way, Israel might be benefiting from them not being alive, from them suffering, from them packing all their load and going to America. Israel might be benefiting from it. So those people, so Israel deity is benefiting from the insurgency here. If it's at least that deity, a bunch of spirits, if it's at least that deity that he went to and touched their offer and said, if I stand by intentionally while my people are being killed, let this stone take my life that day. I'll at least give it some respect. But you come and carry a book that started the other day. Guy, you don't even want to even listen. Sir. You can go and check the day that this book started. This book started the other day. There is a king, an emperor, Constantine. The book started the other day. In no day before, a person bring and combine and force them in with bloodshed. Now they put the lives of Nigerians on. You cannot be Christian and pro-Igbo or pro-African at the same time. You guys choose one. You cannot be Christian and pro-Africa at the same time. You have to choose one. The only person Africans should vote for, the only persons an Igbo person should vote for in this world is the person that, if he wants to be governor of Anambra State, he will go to Umoji and swear the date that the Umoji people chose that he will swear by. He will go to Ogidi and swear by the date that the Ogidi people chose that he will swear by. He will go to Mpo. He will swear by the deity that the Mpo people chose that he will swear by. He will go to Onitsha. He will go to every single community in the state. Well, because what is he doing with his time? He's letting him get out. What is he doing with his time? See, people are dying like... Have I killed 200 chickens in my life before? So I can't even say people are dying like chickens. People are dying like ants, where you pour hot water and all of them will just die. Let him go to all the communities in the state and swear by the deity that the community people choose, come together and say, this deity now, they chop bribe. If you fuck up, Ingo. If you fuck up on what you go feel them. Only the people who do this are the people that African people should vote into the office. Otherwise, y'all are playing. Y'all are not. Y'all just want to be ranting and crying. Yeah? Y'all want to be ranting and crying. So, y'all go ahead and rant and cry. You know what I'm saying? Cry. Fuck out of here. You've seen from that allegedly Wike video in his jet, yeah? That the only thing, strong men, the only thing where did they fear? Now that I'll give them, make they use that thing swear, something where they kill. That's not the only way out for Nigeria, Africa. Now the only way out. Otherwise, these people get low self-esteem. They go sell their people out for pennies to a white man. They no be human being. Give them that. Make they go join the ancestors. The only person Africans should vote for is somebody that swears by every deity. If it's a president, let him come to Anambra. Let Anambra people decide on the deity that he will swear by, or at least the zones. Let him go to the deities of the zones in Anambra. Go to the deities of the zones in Delta. But if you're a governor, swear by every community's deity. That's not the only way out. Otherwise, on your cable, if you get me, what you go do? A Bible. Waiting me by Bible don't keep person before. All of you are part of this scam. My pope, my bishop, my cardinal, my you will be parishioner. Because I tell you, say Christians be occultists. We no even know say they be we no know say they occult society, foreign occult society. Emalo, ebo Beboya.